Why are you not losing any weight? This question must be haunting a lot of us who have started a weight loss journey. We have started walking, we have started cutting down our food, but our body is not reacting to that. Why are we not losing any weight? Today I am going to talk about that. The first reason is you are not eating enough. When you are actually not eating enough, your body goes into starvation mode. And in this starvation mode, the metabolism of your body goes down. And because of that, your body holds on to the fat and calorie. So you are not losing any weight. The second reason is you are eating too much. You are eating too much calories as well as fat. Just imagine, the whole week you are cutting down your food, but you are not considering a small chocolate that you are eating daily, or a weekend ice cream. These are the small things that are hampering your weight loss process. The third reason why you are not losing weight is because you are not having enough sleep. When you are sleeping, your body is actually repairing itself. So if you are not getting enough sleep, your body is not getting repaired. The fourth reason why you are not losing weight is because you are not active enough. A light walk or a small walk is not enough for your body to lose weight. You need to do more. The fifth reason is you are not getting hydrated enough. When you are hydrated, your blood supplies energy to your body to consume and burn the calories throughout the day. The sixth reason is you are not lifting enough weights. In the beginning of your weight loss journey, you might have started doing a lot of cardio, and because of low consumption of calories, your muscle must be depleted, and because of that, your metabolism goes down. So your weight loss has been stopped over there. So what you need to do is start doing any body weight exercise or start lifting any sort of weight. The seventh reason is actually a very good reason, because you must not be losing your weight, but you must be losing your inches. What that proves is you must be losing your fat, simultaneously you are gaining your muscles. So there is no change in the weighing scale, but there is a definite change in your body composition, and that's a very good reason for you to be happy. The eighth reason is your body must have hit a weight loss plateau. What's a weight loss plateau? It's a condition where your body is actually burning the same amount of calorie what it's consuming, but you don't have to worry during that time. All you need to do is change your workout, change your dietary habit, and take a lot of rest and take a break. And after that, your body will start its process again. What you have to do is wait patiently for that. It is highly recommended that you take an advice of a diet expert or a nutrition expert who is actually an expert in breaking this weight loss plateau. You might be thinking that your gym trainers must be capable of that, but not all of them are expert in that. So you need to take an expert opinion on that before starting your weight loss journey. I hope that this video is very useful for you, and all the best for your weight loss journey. Now I am going to tell you about the big surprise about which I told you in my previous video. If you are on your weight loss journey, I am going to tell you about your target weight, your best exercise suitable for your body, and what is the best diet suitable for you, and what time will be required for you to reach that target weight. What you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. The links are given below in the description. After that, you have to take 3 screenshots of these things and send me on the WhatsApp number given below, and I'll contact you directly. So don't ignore this golden opportunity, because these 3 screenshots can change your life.